Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve worksheet class 9 worksheet problems. So first question what they are given. We will see the first question. So in the first question they are given find the two rational numbers between 0.1 and 0.3. 0.1 and 0.3. So 0.1 we can write as 0.1 we can write as 1 by 10. 0.3 we can write as 3 by 10. And here we had to write how many rational numbers? Two rational numbers we had to write. So we are taking n equal to 2. So n plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1. N plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. So we have to write two rational numbers n, so we are taking n as 2 and n plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. So now we have to take first rational number, that is 1 by 10. 0.1 is nothing but 1 by 10. So multiply and divide with 3. So here numerator and denominator multiplied by 3. So you are getting 3 by 30. Next fraction 3 by 10. Again multiply and divided by 3. So you are getting 9 by 30. Next, two rational numbers between 0.1 and 0.3 we can write as 3 by 30. After we can take any two rational numbers in between 3 by 30 and 9 by 30. You can take any two rational numbers, that is 5 by 30 and 7 by 30 I am taking. Otherwise you can take 4 by 30, 8 by 30, like that. You can take any two rational numbers. So this is your answer. Next, another method also we can do. So here 0.1 we can write as 1 by 10, 0.3 we can write as 3 by 10. So otherwise you can, we have to write only two rational numbers, no? Numerator and denominator multiplied by 2, so you are getting 2 by 20. So numerator and denominator multiplied by 2, you are getting 6 by 20. Between in rational numbers and 2 by 10, 20 and 6 by 20, between any two rational numbers we can write 3 by 20 and 5 by 20. Like this also you can do, and like this also you can do. We are finding only two rational numbers. Like this numerator and denominator we can multiply also, you are getting same answer. Okay. Next we will go for next problem. So simplify 4 plus root 3 into 4 minus root 3. 4 plus root 3 into 4 minus root 3. First of all, we have to multiply 4 into 4. Next, 4 into 3. 4 into 4. 4 into 4 means 4 into 4 we have to write. Next, we will go for 4 multiplied by minus root 3. So first of all, plus into minus, minus you will get. And 4 into root 3, 4 into root 3. So like that you have to write. Next again, now we are going for plus root 3. Plus root 3. Plus into plus plus, root 3 into 4. Root 3 into 4. Next, root 3 into minus root 3, that is plus into minus. Minus we had to write. And root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. So for 4, so how much you are getting? 16. And minus 4 root 3, we can't multiply this one. So we have to write as it is minus 4 root 3. And root 3 into 4 is nothing but 4 root 3. And here root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 means 3 only answer. Root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. So now minus 4 root 3 and plus 4 root 3, 0. So we are taking this 2 as 0. Minus 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3, 4 root 3. We will subtract means we will get 0. So what is left here? 16 and minus 3. So 16 minus 3 is 13 is the answer. Next we will go for next problem. Rationalizing the denominator. So in the question they are given 1 by root 3 minus root 2. 1 by root 3 minus root 2 they are given. We have to write the we have to do the rationalizing of the denominator. So here root 3 minus root 2. So what is the rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 minus root 2. Rationalizing factor is root 3 plus root 2. So we have to do multiply and divide with root 3 plus root 2. So numerator multiplied by root 3 plus root 2 and denominator also multiplied by root 3 plus root 2. So now 1 into root 3 plus root 2. So we are getting root 3 plus root 2 and denominators also we had to multiply this one into this one. So we are writing as it is root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. Next, root 3 plus root 2 as it is and down they are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So here first one square minus second one square. So root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So root 3 minus root 3 plus root 2 as it is. Here root 3 plus root 2 as it is. Root 3 plus root 2 as it is. Next 3 minus 2. Root 3 whole square is nothing but 3 and root 2 whole square is nothing but 2. So root 3 plus root 2 is by 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. So anything by 1 is that only, that is root 3 plus root 2 is the answer. Next we will go for next problem. Express 0.245 as the fraction in the form of in the simplest form. So in the simplest form means we have to write that is in the form of p by q. So that is we have to write in p by q. So our rational in the rational number we have to write. So what you are getting here 1000x. So here 0.245. 0.245 bar is nothing but 245 is repeating more times, repeated continuously. 245, 245 is repeating continuously, never stop. So now here how many digits are repeating? 3 digits are repeating. 3 digits are repeating means 3 zeros, that is nothing but 1000. 1000 into x. So we had to 3 digits are repeating, so we had to multiply with 1000 on both sides. So 1000x equal to 1000 into 0.245, 245, 245 like that. So now 1000 into x is nothing but 1000x and 1000 into this number, decimal number you are multiplying means decimal point moves to 3 digit afterwards. 1, 2, 3. 3 digit afterwards you will get the decimal point, that is 245.245.245 like that. So now we had to subtract x from this one. 1000x we had to subtract x. So from 1000x we are subtracting x. So we are getting point down point, we had to place point before 0, point after 245. Always we had to write point down point and we had to place the numbers. So like that 245 like that we are writing and now we are doing subtraction. 1000x minus x is 999x. So now we have to do subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 4, 2 minus 2 is 0. So 5 minus 0 is 5 and 4 as it is, 2 as it is. So we are getting subtraction means we are getting 999 x equal to 245. So 999 x equal to 245. Now I have to find the value of x, that is 245 by 999. So we can write x is nothing but 0.245 bar equal to 245 by 999. This is your answer. Next we will go for next problem in next section. Thank you.